California Foreign LLC, How to Register and Stay Compliant. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you already have an LLC formed in another state but want to do business in California, you're required to register as a foreign LLC. That means your existing LLC is considered foreign to California, and the state needs to officially recognize it before you operate. Whether you're expanding your e-commerce store, hiring California employees, or opening a new location, California requires foreign LLC registration to stay legal. In this video, I'll walk you through how to register your foreign LLC in California, what documents you'll need, and how Busy can handle it all for you so you don't miss a single compliance step. Click the link in the description to register your foreign LLC in California using busy.com. They'll take care of the paperwork, guide you through compliance, and include tools for BOI reporting and more. So, what is a foreign LLC? A foreign LLC doesn't mean international. It just means your LLC was formed in another US state. For example, if you're starting an LLC in Wyoming, but now you want to open a branch or rent office space in Los Angeles, California law says you must register as a foreign LLC before operating. Failing to do so can lead to penalties, lawsuits, and blocked contracts. So, how to register a foreign LLC in California? First, you're going to get a certificate of good standing. You'll need a recent certificate of good standing from your home state. This proves your LLC is active and in compliance where it was originally formed. Then you get a file form LLC 5. This is California's official application to register a foreign LLC. It asks for your original LLC name, the state of formation, principal office address, business purpose, registered agent in California, and then you could appoint a California registered agent. So you must have a California-based registered agent to receive legal mail. Busy provides this free for you for first year when you register through them. Then you gotta pay the filing fee. California charges $70 for the LLC 5 form plus the $800 annual franchise tax, which is mandatory even if you don't make income yet. Then you gotta file statement of information. You'll also need to file an initial statement of information, that is the form LLC 12, within 90 days after registering. Busy can automate both steps and keep your records updated year after year. All foreign LLCs registered in 2024 or later must file a BOI report, that is the beneficial ownership information. It's a federal requirement, and failure to file can lead to fines of up to $500 per day. So if you want to create that too, I have included the link in the description below. So why you should use Busy to register your foreign LLC in California is because they handle LLC 5 plus statement of information filing, include registered agent service free for first year, and it sends annual tax and filing reminders. So whether you're scaling across state lines or just moving into California market, Busy makes sure your LLC is fully covered. So if you feel the need to register your out-of-date LLC in California, click the link in the description and let Busy take care of the entire process, fast, affordable, and fully compliant. So that's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.